We are in the Peninsula National Park, and we're on the trail to the grotto, which is about 1.5 kilometers. They say 25 minutes. We'll see how long it takes us to get there. We're on the trail to the shore, to the grotto. It's a very nice trail. It's been flat, and then we run into the occasional hill here. But it's still a very nice trail. This is sort of weird. This is a rock, or quite a huge rock, and we have a tree growing out of the middle of it. And it's a big tree. But just enough dirt for this tree to take root. And you can see there's a little dirt on top of the rock where there's root. And it's just more or less sitting on there. Just thought that was interesting. And behind us, you can see what kind of looks like a castle, but it's just rocks piled on top of each other. This would be part of the Niagara Escarpment. We're at the end of the trail, and this is Georgian Bay. The water is extremely rough today. Very windy. And the sun's coming out to make it look even better. Isn't that nice? So pretty out here, and it took us about 35 minutes to get out here rather than the 25. We're old, took us a little longer. Can you see this rock that's hanging out over the cliff below? If you look real closely at the very end, you can see a crack that goes from the bottom all the way up to the top. And yet you have fools that go out there, stand on there, sit on there, and that's a long drop down to the bottom. Most of the edge of the water is sheer drop-offs. There's really nothing to say that the pictures can't describe. And if you can see way out there, there's a few islands.